everyone can be creative. But I mean, I think the result will be better when a lot of creative minds work together.
That's what makes us different from the animals, is that we're not just happy with something that works, we also want it to look pleasing and beautiful as well.
I think creativity is just something that you have. It's the pure joy of like a white, empty piece of paper, and you have an idea in your head and you want to put it down.
A very interesting part of creativity is flow. It's not that often, but it happens, and then you can do very much in no time at all.
I think it's, at least to some people, a very basic, fundamental human need to create things, to constantly improve things, to create a better living or a better solution to a problem.
We try to improve ourselves. Our design, or let's say image outside, always refers to the last project you have delivered.
I think it's important to be open-minded person to work with design.
I really enjoy the process of figuring it out. Like I can be very stubborn, I don't give up until I get it right, and I quite enjoy that.
I like intelligent design, where something is clever, whether it's solving a problem or whether it's a new angle to something. It's maybe unexpected.
To be good as designer, it's really to have eyes wide open.